Hello, everyone. Oh, I don't actually know exactly what is going on in the market, you know. So I'm doing this live video so that you guys can update me on what is going on. I had an emergency um, journey that I had to take, so I actually don't know what's going on in the market currently. I know Jerome Powell has made a decision. So, oh, SM Crypto, hi, was in from Nigeria. Are you from Nigeria, my friend? I'm not in Nigeria. Are you from Nigeria? Are you from Nigeria? Are you from Nigeria? Oh, wow. Where from Nigeria are you from? Ah, okay. I thought you were saying I'm from Nigeria. So how is Nigeria today, my friend? SM Crypto. How is the market like? I don't actually, I'm traveling. I don't even have my so I still let me go live. I was supposed to go live today. Doing the formal meeting like my normal live, and I don't know what is going on. So, oh, my guy Anom is here. So Anom, maybe you can update me what's going on. Oh, my audio quality sucks. Maybe I should take off the loudspeaker. Is it better? Is the quality better now? Oh, Adjelu Opasola is up, watching from Nigeria. Oh, my Nigeria army. Yeah. My Nigerian bosses. Yeah. Oh boy. My Nigerian bosses are here. Guys, I had an emergency journey to take. Tomorrow I might be traveling again. I'll tell you guys when I arrive to the destination. So yeah, I have a couple of stuff to do. I'm driving now, so you guys can update me on what's going on, what price is Bitcoin currently, and then maybe you guys have some questions based on my analysis yesterday. I think you guys can look at those key levels. If price respect those key levels that we talk about yesterday, Jerome Powell is going to say, right? We should look at those key levels. Once those key levels are being respected, we are good to go. We are good to go. Yeah. Oh, I see, I see, I see. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm in the middle of somewhere. Oops. Wow. Sorry guys, my network is poor today. I'm traveling. You can see I'm in my car. You know, it's not gonna be easy, but I have to do the live. You know, so we can communicate as usual. Okay. BTC is at 116K. Yeah, that's good. You know, if BTC is still at 116K, then that's good. That's good. I told you guys that BTC was going to, at least hit 117K, and if we get to 117K, there's high chances that we're gonna just tap 3,000 and hit that 120. I've been talking about 120, and most people haven't been, taking taking that seriously. I've been calling that 120, 120, and I'm still calling it, right? And that's why I'm traveling and I'm not bothering with my trades. I have trades that are open. I don't know what's going on with the trades, because I trust my TA. I believe in that TA. So I'm gonna the audio again. Okay, is it okay now? It was connected to my Bluetooth. Now I switch it off. So it should be okay now, at least. All right. Yeah, I was saying that my trades are still open. I'm not that much bother about it. Cause see, now I'm taking a ferry. Let me show you guys where I am now. See, currently I'm taking a ferry. See, you know, look, yeah. So that's my situation now. That's my ETA. Yeah. So I think that's the reason why we are getting this network issue. I'm just sitting in my car and waiting for the ferry to get to my destination. Of course, I've never, never and ever stopped believing in Baby Dogecoin. Maybe you haven't been watching my update. And those of you who didn't watch my meme coins update, you've seen what Toshi did. Toshi poof, I shared Toshi. I think that was on Sunday or Monday. Toshi was one of the meme coins I shared, and all of the meme coins I shared are gonna do well. Trust me, because whenever I'm giving my signals or whenever I'm doing my analysis, I want to make sure if something is gonna happen for that TA to invalidate, then maybe an event or bad news is gonna come, like what we are seeing now with Bitcoin. I mean the FOMO meeting and all this stuff. That's the only thing that can, or maybe there's a bad event happening, like war going on somewhere, or a tragic event somewhere, like let's say something like corona. Those are the kind of stuff that can invalidate my TA mostly at times on the higher time frame. So given Toshi, I saw that Toshi was just closing on it was closing above the 50-day moving average and above the alpha trend and all of those moving averages. And I was saying to myself, this bad boy is not fly, and Toshi has flied about 60% today. Now, I'm telling you guys now about Baby Dogecoin. Okay, by the way, guys, thumbs up, like. Baby Dogecoin will fly again. Last time I called Baby Dogecoin, like all the times I've been calling Baby Dogecoin, the pump, most of you don't take it serious. If you want to make money, buy Baby Dogecoin. Not now. You would have bought it long time ago before the pump. Before it even pump, I shared a video. I told you guys that Baby Dogecoin is gonna pump. I did a video. For some reasons, some of you don't watch my videos, so I cannot keep myself. If you don't watch my videos, then it's difficult for me to help you. So yeah. But I think I've answered your question. I've always been super bullish um in Baby Dogecoin because of the community and because of also they have a product, they have a use case, right? It's not just a meme coin anymore. They are building something serious, and these guys are in business. They make money, like those developers. They make money from the platform, from Baby Dogecoin, right? By building those products, they make money. So they want to keep building more products, to keep attracting more investors. That's why I think where price is currently with Dogecoin is a buy. Guys, tell me where you're watching from. I can see those of you who are watching. Guys, what is going on with the with ARB? What I'm holding ARB, I'm shorting POM. I short POM. I'm in a POM short. I don't know how it's gonna play out, but I'm shorting POM.fun. Based on the alpha trend strategy. So those of you yeah, those of you who want to short POM, do them fine. You can short POM too. But finally I got in on the 1 hour time frame. I'm still skeptical. Why? Because the sell signal was printed only on, like, okay, it was printed on the 15 minutes and 1 hour time frame, but my target is focused on the 4 hours time frame. So I'm looking at about let's say 20% dip for POM fund, you know. It's going down for that though, but there's still a lot of volume coming in. uh you know, it's okay for volume to come in, but the volume that push POM fund to create that sell signal around the 1 hour time frame, you saw that they attempt that area, that zone again. They attempted to look at POM fund on the 1 hour time frame. You know, see that rejection there. It's a sign, you know. So they would need a hell of a volume to take that bad boy back to, you know, to liquidate me. You know, yeah. And when Baby Dogecoin is gonna start
in 150 meters, continue straight onto Huviksvägen, Route 155.
when Baby Dogecoin is gonna start pumping, you can pump like 2x or 3x in a space of 1 or 2 weeks. Yeah, guys, give me updates. What's going on with Bitcoin? What's
Continue straight onto Huviksvägen, Route 155.
what's the current price of Bitcoin? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I bought I sold, sorry, I execute that sell order trade for POM fund because I saw that price reject above that key area. If you look at the alpha trend, like look at the chart. Like I even did a video. You can check my video, my most recent video. I did a video explaining why I took the trade. So I sent the video. I went live. I took the trade live on Telegram. So I now I uploaded the video to my my YouTube, and also I upload it on on Facebook and X. So you can check it out if you can. Oh, we are out now. Oops.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Huviksvägen, Route 155.
Okay, that's good. Good look at bottom. My fingers are crossed. I think we're gonna see Bitcoin spike to 120. then we're gonna receive a massive rejection there, and after that rejection, then we can expect some sort of like, that's when we can start looking at that reaction, 120, like 120, 119k price point. Those are psychological levels. Maybe Dogecoin is gonna pump this month, or like at least it should pump based on the current price action. It should pump this month. If not, then maybe early next month.
In 600 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Huviksvägen, Route 155.
Are you guys hearing my GPS? You mean Bitcoin? If Bitcoin is going down, there's a good thing. Okay, I know. If Bitcoin is actually going down now, then it's a good thing. That's the trick. They want to, trick. Want to trick? It's like false move, and they're gonna spike it back up. The liquidity that I'm seeing up there, guy, it's too much. So these guys, they're gonna spike. They're gonna pretend as if that's like before Bitcoin make huge move like that. They always pretend as if, the market makers always pretend as if, or like fake out. And
in 600 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Huviksvägen, Route 155.
Once you have trapped enough traders, you're gonna spike it up back. I'm confident in that my TA. I'm confident, and I'm not gonna I'm not feeling any worries at all. Trust me. Like the level of confidence I have that Bitcoin is gonna go to that 119, 118, 20. It's like, poof, we are gonna go there. We are going to go there. Bitcoin is going there. Trust me. So, what trades have you been taking? Have you been watching, or did you take today, Anon? Which trades did you take today?
In 400 meters, at the roundabout, continue straight to stay on Huviksvägen, Route 155.
I thought the formal meeting is past, not yet. Is the conference past? What about the rate cut? Like, what's going on about that one? I thought the formal meeting is over. Any idea what the rate cut was? Yeah. So what did how many basis point did
In 500 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit onto Gosta Frankel's Vaj, Route 155.
How many basis points did Powell cut? Was it 2.5, 0.25, or 50 basis points? To my understanding, I was thinking FOMO is gonna take place, like it has taken place. It took place, let's say about 2:30 my time. You know.
Exit the roundabout onto Gosta Frankel's Vaj. Continue on Route 155 for 1 kilometer. In 600 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on Gosta Frankel's Vaj, Route 155.
After 12 years, transfer 1,000 BTC before US Fed meeting. So you think that's a bad signal?
Exit the roundabout onto Gosta Frankel's Vaj.
You think that's a bad signal?
In 600 meters, keep right.
Well, I think it doesn't matter. If he is sending it to maybe an exchange, maybe you want to buy Ethereum or buy something, and then they are using this moment as a right time to do that. So maybe he's anticipating that due to this FOMO, Ethereum or other asset might dump, and he's going to sell his BTC and buy those assets.
Keep right.
Maybe that's what he's anticipating. You know. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to affect the price of Bitcoin.
Continue on Route 155 for 5 kilometers.
It doesn't mean that it's going to affect the price of Bitcoin. Thanks so much, Anon. I appreciate the fact that you are sharing this with me. I appreciate you, my friend. Yeah, that's nothing. I mean, we're talking about almost 2 trillion. I think Bitcoin is now 2 trillion market cap, right? So we're talking about a 2 trillion cap. What is 1,000 BTC? You know, what is 1,000 BTC to move the price of Bitcoin? Maybe you want to pump one, like, or invest in a meme coin or a low cap coin. You know, so yeah, maybe you want to do that. You want to sell this BTC, and then, or you want to be trading. I mean, there are a lot of reasons why you went to that wallet and transfer 1,000 BTC. And are you using CoinAng? If you're not using CoinAng, I recommend you use CoinAng. It's one of the best tool I use to look at liquidity. So I'm able to make most of my decisions by looking at where there are liquidity in the market. So I can easily look at key areas where the market might reverse. Like now, I'm not on my chart. You know, I'm not on my laptop, so I cannot really see. That's why I'm blind now, but I trust my TA before. You know. Yeah, you are right. From one cold wallet to another cold wallet. If the message says or said unknown destination, then maybe it's to a cold storage wallet.
In 600 meters, use the left lane to take the ramp to E6, E20. Use the left lane to take the ramp to E6, then use the left lane to merge onto Heisingselden.
Yeah, I'm gonna send it to you.
Use the left lane to merge onto Heisingselden, then use the middle lane to take the ramp to E20.
I'm gonna share with you when I'm packed.
Use the middle lane to take the ramp to E20, then slide left onto the ramp to E20. Onto the ramp to E20. Continue for 6 kilometers.
You know, coin ang like that platform really, like, guy, my friend, I think it's one of the best out there in the game. It shows you, like, I'm gonna share with you the techniques on how to use it or how I use it. You know, like, you can see, like, it works, my friend. Yeah, when you buy the right tools, you know, it can really help you in addition to your TA. So you are done with your TA, then now you bring in some tools to guide you further, like with your entry. So if I'm talking about the alpha trend stuff, also I'm looking at those liquidity areas to confirm my entries. Form with dip, my friend. Form with dip. Form with dip. And if I want, I can play the game on a daily time frame. So I'm gonna be watching the 4 hours alpha trend signal and also the daily time frame alpha trend signal. Once I see it, then as many people are looking for, oh, it's not pump now again, boom.
In 200 meters, slide right onto the ramp to E20, Stockholm.
When people are thinking, oh, this thing is now getting back to pump, I want to be like, oh, my friends, you are mistaken.
Slide right onto the ramp to E20.
I have to rush now. pick up my wife, pick up my kids from school, and it's not easy. My daily routine is so in the morning, I'm gonna drop my kids to school, drop my wife at work. In the afternoon, pick them back from school, pick my wife from work. Then at times I'm trading and my kids are on my head, like yeah, you know. That's why my phone uses like most of the time at night when they are sleeping, I can do most of my analysis. You know, can do most of my analysis when they are sleeping, and when they are up, I'm just now gonna be looking at those key areas to execute my trades. You know, well, I already know what to expect. I've already done the TA, and the signals are there, all the notifications are there. I'm gonna be waiting now for confirmation. Once I receive confirmation, I'm buying the shit. My two boys, so they are two heads with mine three heads. So what are they thinking now? If they're gonna think with me, it means you don't want me to win any trade. Oh boy, yeah, you know, it's always amazing when they're around. You know, always amazing. So when they are away, I drop them in the morning when they are away. I also have time in like up to they're away like for about 6 or 8 hours at times. Yeah, so that's enough time for me to like do day job, right? So I can now work, you know, look for a couple of trade and and when they are back, because they are back, I like trading the US session a lot. I love the US session. So if they are back and which is mostly in the course of the US session, I find it difficult to analyze the market at that time. So that's why I want to do my analysis in advance before they come, and then during that session I'm waiting for confirmation to buy, or sell. Too many cooks. Are you talking about the time frames? Because if you're struggling with the time frames, I can walk you through.
GPS signal lost.
If you're struggling with the time frames, how to trade it, maybe I can do a dedicated video for you, and then maybe others can benefit from it. Ah, okay. Yeah, there's one indicator. It's free. It's not my indicator. It's from Trade Travel Chill Community. You can go on TradingView, look for session times. Session times by Trade Travel Chill. You'll see it. You will automatically like you don't have to change anything, do nothing, just allow the settings as it is. You know, what you can do is take off the moon cycle. I can do a video to walk you through how.
In 500 meters, use the left lane to take the ramp to E20, Stockholm.
How I use it.
Use the left lane to take the ramp to E20. Continue for 1.5 kilometers.
Yeah, market session times. Yeah, by Trade Travel Chill is the best. I don't trade most of the times. Like most of my trades, I traded with it. So, like what I was showing you the other time from 8 p.m. Asia. So you can. Yeah, it's very nice. Trade Travel Chill, the community, they have nice products, and that's free. You can take off the moon cycle. I don't use the moon cycle. You can go to the settings. You can take off the moon cycle. When you see the moon cycle, you can take it off. Or maybe if you love it to use it, then you can allow it. But I don't use it. So the areas you see with green, with thick green, are the times that the market is going to be active. So that's when smart money is coming in the market. Smart money like banks, the market makers, I don't know who they are, big institutions. That's when they
In 400 meters, use the right lane to merge onto E20. Use the right lane to merge onto E20, then use the second from the right lane to take exit 76.
I'm gonna call my wife, so maybe this stream is gonna go off, or it's gonna reconnect later because I'm using my phone. Yeah, sorry, I had to call my wife. I had to pick her up, so I don't know where she is currently. But now I know where she is. Yeah, the moon cycle, she believes so much in astrology. So the moon cycle is more of astrology. I don't believe in astrology. So he added the moon cycle in the form of astrology, depending on the, like I don't follow those astrology stuff, Not that I don't follow it, I don't believe in it. Well, when you listen to her, it might make sense to you or to someone else because it's what she believes in. Um, yeah, I was not that I was I follow her videos. She's been in this industry for a long time. Yeah, her name is Annie. I've learned a lot from her also. So I follow her stuff back then, and I still watch her videos to get her own perspective, on what is going on with Bitcoin, analysis, what she's thinking as well. Yeah. Yeah. So it's just like people will say during the Bitcoin halving event, Bitcoin is gonna do this, right? So Bitcoin might do this, and so on. So it's speculation. But the chat is going to tell you whether the speculation is gonna be, is gonna come to pass or not, right? Yeah. So I don't believe in that as well. I believe in my chat so much, you know. I believe in my chat, but when there's a news event like that, the market makers they use those events to, make their money, to liquidate people. So yeah. So the moon circle, I think, is just based on, astrology. They'll say, okay, based on astrology in the past, this month has always been a good month for Bitcoin. Or this month, this kind of event, like, I think, to me, it doesn't make any sense. But when you are dealing with forces in the world, bad forces, it might happen based on astrology, so they can make people believe in it. Yeah. So where is Bitcoin now, my friend? Update me on Bitcoin. I have some few minutes to get to the daycare. I'm now in my city. I'm back in my city. I have some few minutes to pick up my wife, go to daycare. So the stream in about like, let's say, 7 minutes, the stream is gonna go off. Let's get those kids, take them home, give them something to eat while I can check on my chart. Okay, 116. You can see it's good, right? It's good that Bitcoin is holding, and they are now preparing the mindset, like it's psychology. They are playing the psychology of the weak hands, or those who don't understand how BTC moves. So they are now making them to feel as if, oh, Bitcoin is gonna dump, it's gonna dump. Let's place a short. They want to short Bitcoin, and then boom, before they realize it, the market makers is gonna liquidate them. you know. So I mean, as I mentioned, if I was on my chart, I would have shown you the areas where there are liquidity, or there's liquidity, and you would have seen that Bitcoin is gonna go actually. So I mean, let's say Bitcoin is not able to make it to 120, at least 180 should do, because there's a liquidity at 118 and 119. This should do, you know. My sweet potatoes is here. My sweet potatoes.
My tomato. How you not see that?
Mwah.
See that too?
Mm.
The one who is ripe plantain.
Ah,
Broken stop this.
let's get plantain.
He is sitting in the country and he buy the new one because no say expensive.
Don't do
I want also I want take it up.
Yeah, look, I'm fine.
I want take tram now. Easy for me to come over tram stop. Over that
Um,
How is it?
I see some bad light here.
Bad line.
I'm not supposed to see this light.
Concern that engine or
Maybe. But maybe na bad light for this.
they like my side.
You gonna cook some eggs? I don't know, Facebook, YouTube. I don't miss, after the miss. My friend, that's my sweet girl. My yeah. Okay, my friend. I'm gonna go now. It was awesome having you here. Maybe I want to be live again soon. I cannot tell. Maybe I'll be live not soon, but in the night, the same time like yesterday, when the kids are sleeping. We can take some time. Maybe I can live stream that I share my screen so we can go through most of the indicators on my by trading view indicators. We can go through some of it and yeah. All right, my friend. See you. Anon saying, hope you have a nice day.
Thank you. And same to you. Thank you and same to you.
Okay.